If you're looking to speed up your customer support process, CrankWheel is a game changer. In this quick CrankWheel explainer, I'm going to show you exactly how this tool can help you deliver faster, more efficient customer service. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use CrankWheel to boost your support team's response times, making sure no customer is left waiting. Stick around, and I'll also reveal how you can try CrankWheel for free with an extended trial, plus some exclusive bonuses. Now, let's dive right into it. The first thing CrankWheel does is make it super easy to share your screen with customers instantly. No more juggling between emails or long wait times, just a quick link that you can send to your customer. This tool works directly in the browser, meaning they don't need to download anything. It's as easy as sending them a simple link to view your screen. Next thing, CrankWheel allows you to share your screen securely. Privacy is a big deal, and with CrankWheel's end-to-end encryption, you can rest assured that sensitive customer information stays protected. This adds an extra layer of trust between you and your customers, which is crucial for great customer support. The fourth thing is its one-click sharing feature. All you need to do is click a button, and you're instantly sharing your screen. This eliminates the hassle of complex setups or needing to walk customers through confusing technical steps. It's quick, simple, and super efficient, perfect for fast customer service interactions. Now, let's talk about the fifth point. CrankWheel allows you to have a two-way communication experience while sharing your screen. This means you and a customer can discuss the issue in real time, making the entire support process much more interactive. No more back and forth emails or long chats trying to explain what's wrong. You can fix issues immediately right there in the session. Another great feature is that CrankWheel doesn't require customers to sign up or log in, which makes it even more convenient for them. This is a big win because you won't lose customers who are hesitant to create an account just to get help. Everything's ready to go without the barriers. The seventh thing is CrankWheel's ability to handle multiple customers at once. This makes it perfect for busy support teams dealing with high volumes of requests. You can easily switch between different customer sessions without missing a beat, keeping everything organized and efficient. Now, here's something really cool. CrankWheel offers a feature called Instant Video Support. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then a live video session is worth even more. This makes troubleshooting much easier, especially when you need to show something visually to your customers. If you want to try CrankWheel for yourself, you can use it completely free from the first link below, along with our exclusive bonuses. I'm telling you, this tool can seriously transform how your customer support team operates. It's a total game changer when it comes to providing real-time assistance, faster response times, and better overall service. To recap, CrankWheel is simple, secure, and super effective at speeding up your customer support process. With its one-click sharing, real-time communication, and instant video support, it's exactly what you need to enhance your customer service experience. Don't forget, check out the link below for your exclusive and extended free trial. Start using CrankWheel today and see the difference for yourself.